Most Chinese learners are not short of resources, they're short of structure. When you learn Chinese from random apps and videos, your learning quickly becomes fragmented. Here's what most learners are missing: a clear structure. And that's exactly what we've built into our HSK 1 course. Each lesson moves through 3 simple stages. Vocabulary. First, you learn the key words of the lesson, so you understand the core vocabulary right away.
我的妈妈不会说汉语。
Grammar. Then we explain the grammar and show how it works with the vocabulary in real sentences.
Learned a skill. It is the simplest way to express all kinds of skills, from language to sports to skills in daily life such as cooking and driving. As in English, modal verbs are put before the verb, so the structure is like this. 我会做中国菜。 You have learned to cook Chinese food and now know how to do it. It has become an ability.
Practice. Finally, you apply what you've learned through practice tasks on the platform.
你会做中国菜吗？
我不会做，你呢？
我会做这个菜。
So, instead of learning random pieces of Chinese, you follow a clear path where everything connects. Vocabulary, grammar, and practice work together, so what you learn is reinforced as you go. And because every lesson follows the same structure, you always know exactly what to study next. Want a clear path to actually learn Chinese? Check the full course via the link below.